Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Debian 12.11, but the process is same on all Debian operating systems. Okay, first open any browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it, then click on MySQL community server. Then select the operating system. See here we have the 8.0.42. Okay, if you are unable to find the version when you are installing, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Click on select the version, then select the operating system. See here we have the Debian Linux. Select it. Okay, once we selected Debian Linux, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. Okay, instead of downloading each Debian package, just download this deb bundle. Okay, so click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 474 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then we will extract the star file and install. Okay, in meantime please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.42 tar file. We have to untar this one. So tar-xf, give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. But before installing them, control it, we have to install following dependencies: sudo apt install macap -ipatic -utf8 libaio-dev. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. I will keep this command in the video description. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed dependencies. Control L, ls. Now install them. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. Now we have to set the password for root account. Confirm the same. See, MySQL 8 uses a new authentication based on improved SHA based password methods. Okay, select OK by using tab, hit enter, and see here we have the two default authentication plugins. We use strong password encryption or use legacy authentication method. It is up to you. The first one is recommended and second one is the legacy method. It is up to you. Select any one of these and select OK and hit enter. We have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.42. Control L. Now verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is started and it is enabled. Okay, quit. Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u. Username is root-p. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. Okay, we can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, you got the same version. Okay, Control L. Now verify the list of the databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Now verify again. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. So to switch to database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Now verify the list of the tables. Show tables. See, empty set, which means we don't have any table. Now create a table. Create table. Now verify tables, show tables. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Show users. This won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. Now verify again. See, new user David is created. Now exit from the MySQL and connect with this new user. So to exit, we have to run the command exit. Now MySQL -u. Here username is David and password, okay, -p, and password is whatever is there in singular double quotes. It is the password. See, you have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server this user. Now try to access the database bank. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server on Debian 12 operating systems. Control A, sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 3 seconds ago and it is inactive or dead. Okay, quit. Also try to connect to MySQL server when it is stopped. See, we cannot connect to MySQL server because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 2 seconds ago and its status is active and running. Okay, so quit, control it. Ls, these files are not required anymore, so remove them because we have successfully installed MySQL server. So clear the space. Rm start.deb. Ls, see here we have one more file, remove it. Rm MySQL, give the tab to autofill enter file name. Ls, we have cleared the space. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. You can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools MySQL Workbench or DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both MySQL Workbench and DBA on Debian operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.